Russia's advanced MiG-35 fighter jet may be equipped with a phased array radar that is active in the future, CEO of MiG Aircraft Corporation Ilya Tarasenko said. Active phased array technology has been widely used to make modern fighter radars. Such radars allow simultaneous tracking of a large number of targets through beam electronic guides. Radar is capable of detecting and involving enemies in water, on the ground and in the air, identifying classes, types and sizes, completing navigation tasks and guiding precision weapons. We understand that this is a world trend for the use of radar with a phased array active in this type of aircraft. Of course, we have made a prototype to conduct a trial, Tarasenko said. The MiG aircraft company will offer the radar as an option after testing along with the aircraft, he said. The contract for the delivery of the first batch of 6 MiG-35 multi-aircraft fighter jets for the Russian Air Force was signed at the Army 2018 Forum on August 22. The MiG-35 is a fourth-generation multi-role fighter jet developed on the basis of serially produced MiG-29K Cub and MiG-29MM2 aircraft. Flight tests for MiG-35 fighter planes began on January 26 and international aircraft presentations were held in the Moscow region the following day. The Russian state weapons program until 2020 stipulates the delivery of MiG-35 fighter planes to the Russian Air Force.